So I'm going to show you how to plait the mane now. Now what you need to do is first of all divide the mane into sections using plaiting bands, and I've got some sort of wrapped around my fingers here that you can use. And you should normally have an odd number of plaits in the horse's mane. So first of all I'm going to divide the mane into sections with bands, and then I'll show you the next step. So when you're dividing the mane into sections, what I tend to do is to put an elastic band around the mane comb, and that defines the width of each plait, and it means that each plait is going to be exactly the same width. And then I put the elastic band at one end, I turn the comb around and draw a nice straight parting, and that gives you a nice neat division between each plait. And a little tip that I do is I just hold that mane out of the way while I'm banding it up. So now that I've bunched it up, I'm going to plait each section down individually. So first of all I'm going to damp it down with a sponge with some water that just helps it stick together a bit more easily. And the trick is to get the plait as tight as you possibly can at the top. It helps that he's a bit smaller, because if you need a bucket to stand on or something, then that's a good idea. And then what I tend to do is when I've a little way down, I put a band around one section of hair, which just means that when you're rolling it up, the band won't ping off. And just keep the tightness of the plait all the way down. If you're not used to doing this a lot, you will get achy hands because you have to pull it quite tight. And plait it as far down as you can. And I tend to keep the bands on my fingers so I can get them. Oh, another band's broken. I'm just going to steal one off here. Right. And tie the band around and then just tuck the end up like that. And that just stops the hair from sticking out. Now, because his mane's quite long, I'm going to fold it in half first, and then I'm going to roll it into a ball, and I'm going to wrap the band around the plait, like so. And there you have a plait.